Hello, everyone.
Hello.
Hi.
Hello.
So, we are four people in the call so far, and if anyone else will add, I'll let you guys know. So, first of all, welcome everyone. This is Monty. I'll be your host, and I will show you around the demo and other things which we offer. So, I'll come to you guys one by one and just ask you basic question: where you from, and how did you hear about us? So, I'll start with Bill. Hello, Bill.
Yeah,
Yeah,
I'm in New Jersey. I just saw you online. Try to
Online.
check it out.
Okay. And do you trade currently
Yes.
on Ninja
Ninja and Trade Station and Trading View.
trading? How about you, Angelo?
me and Neymar, we are from Brazil, so South Brazil.
Oh, wow. Did we talk before? Ever?
No.
Okay.
I think you talk just with Neymar. Yeah, I'm here just for translator.
Okay. Okay. Hey, Namor. Okay.
Neymar don't talk English.
Okay. That's fine. So you will translate him
Yeah, I gonna
later
try.
on, right? Later on, you will translate him, right? Everything.
Yeah.
Okay. And Neymar or you, do you guys trade on Ninja or no? Yes. Okay. And you use Apex? Okay. How about you, Bill? You use your own money or you use Apex or other funding companies?
Um, I kind of got rid of out of Apex, but I've used Apex before, and I'm in use Top Step now and my own money.
Okay. Top step. Okay. That's fine. Okay. So I'll show you guys basically I will share start my presentation. So let me just can you guys see my screen?
Yes.
Okay. So we work with Ninja Trader only. Our bot works on Ninja Trader. So first of all, people usually download Ninja and then we install bot. So our team will do everything for you. So you don't have to worry about it that how to install and all that. So we will do it for you, right?
Okay.
So uh, again, you can trade any market. Whatever market is going good. We usually tell you in the morning which market is stable or trending, so you can trade these. But there is no restrictions on micros. You can trade micros. You can trade e-minis. Any market you want to trade. Okay.
So what do you do? You send out an alert in the morning to tell
So
what.
basically, this is our trading group. Let me show you. Uh, For example, this is our trading group. Usually in the morning, we will put it that before market open that good morning everyone, NQ 1530 is trending good, but there is a news at 9:45. So please turn off your bot at 9:43, right? So usually we will tell you if there is a news in the morning. We will send you picture like there's a 9:45 news, 10 o'clock news, right? So this 10 o'clock news, our bot has function already, a news filter function, but for like odd time news like 9:45, 8:50, all those news times when it's not exact. So for example, news usually come at 8:30, 10 o'clock, 10:30, 2 o'clock, right? During
Right.
those times, our bot will act, so our filter will work. But like 9:45, we don't have a way to, catch the news. So we usually tell our customers to turn off the bot during that time.
Okay.
Okay.
And this will run. You can run this through the open.
Yeah, you can run this open also. If you don't want to use, you can use a news filter. If you turn off the news filter, then it will take a trade during the news also.
Okay.
Okay. Now, what we built is a software. It's a strategy software, right? These bars are the price-based bars. So we will send you these bars with the bot. These are sniper bars. And basically, your stop loss profit target is based on the bar size, right? So we will train you on this also that what should be the profit target stop loss for NQ, for YM. Different markets have different bar sizes. I will show you recommendation PDF that how we recommend you guys how to train, how we train you guys, right? So now, for example, first thing we set up our profit target and stop loss. Then we go, down the line. So, for example, first is stop and reverse. Now, this function is good for your recovery, right? Just in case if any time you hit your stop loss, what is my next step? How will I recover my loss? Either you can keep trading with a one contract, or you can take a next trade with more contracts. So for example, here, I told my bot that if I hit my stop loss, my next trade will be 4 contracts, not one, right? So you can put 2 here, 3 here, depends. And if you don't want to use this function, you can always keep it off. So you can turn it on and off from outside, okay? Then, for example, if you have in a market, if market is in a chop zone, if you turn on this filter, these are different filters. If you turn on this filter, bot will not take a trade in choppy market. If volatility is very low, I put my volatility is 32. If market is below 32 volatility, bot will not take a trade. You can put any number here, right? So 32 is pretty good number. You don't miss too many trades and you don't take bad trades also. Then you can put your profit target and stop loss target here, daily loss target, daily profit target. Suppose if you hit here, you put like, okay, if I make 500, my bot should stop, right? I don't want to take after that, so bot will be off automatically. If you put like, okay, I want to put my loss target. So especially when we use our own money, we trade with the both locks, right? Once you make 500, done for the day. If you lose 500, done for the day, right? So you can put any amount. Depends on your account size. If your account size, you have $20,000, $30,000, and you want to make $800-900 a day, you can put $800 as a profit target. And if you want to, whatever loss target you want to put, we will help you with this, understand how that works. Okay. Then, if you trade in multiple markets, like suppose you have 4 monitors and you want to trade in 4 different markets, NQ, ES, RTY, GC, right? You can trade all markets together with the one common goal. So for example, I'll give you example of that. So suppose if you're trading into 3 different markets, right? So now if I'm trading in 3 different markets, in one, in I made 200, in another I made 295, in another I made 335. So total I made $915 in all 3 markets combined. So suppose if my goal is $1,000, once I hit 1,000 here, right? My bot will stop in all markets together. So now it says accounts P&L limit set. So in this market, in ES, I made 200. In RTY, I made 380. In NQ, I made 485. So all totally combined, I already made $1,000. So you can diversify your trading, so you don't have to depend on one market at all. Okay. So that's how the master account P&L works. Now comes to the bot, right? So in the bot, we give you 3 bots. One is auto A and auto B, which is a scalp bot with all these entries. So now these are the different entry points. How are you going to enter in a trade? Some are trend-based entries, for example, pullback and trend change are trend-based. So suppose if you just want to take trade with a trend, you will select pullback and trend change entry, right? If you want to trade against the trend, you will pick like a short WM, double divergence, extended WM, right? Volatility OB, overbought, oversold, all those entries. Okay. Then if you don't want to select any entry, you say like, I don't want to, select any entry, I will let my bot takes my entry, then you will trade on auto B. So we will trade on auto B. I will explain you how that works. But if you want to select your own entries, like that depends on your trading style, depends on, a little bit experience you have, right? So you can always select your own entries, then you trade on auto A, right? So auto A means you selecting the entries, bot will take only those entries in the market. Auto B means you're not selecting any entry, you will let bot choose the entries for you out of these and then take those trades. Okay.
So you can do it manually, or you can put the bot automatically, and it will automatically enter and close out a trade.
It will automatically. So
Okay,
both either way, so basically this is the entry points of take a trade, right? So each time when the situation will come, every entry is different logic, right? So whenever the logic will come, bot will take a trade. So because, for example, I took a momentum entry, right? So when the momentum entry logic will come, bot will take a trade, right? So these are just different logics, different way of to enter in the trade. Okay.
Do you have statistics on what entries are better than others?
Yes. So basically, we have a statistics, for example, by each market, right? So for example, pullback entry. I know pullback entry give me 85% success rate, right? Trend change entry give me 75% success rate. Reversal and divergence, it give me 78% success rate, right? So trend change, give me with the filter, give me 78% success rate. So you can select entries based on the research, or you can also just do the back testing.
Okay,
Or
yeah,
you
but
can.
back testing never really is true.
So we also give you basically option to do back testing. If you want to show back testing data, you select it here, or you can do the playback also anytime with each entry, right? So, but if you don't want to do anything, we already selected entries for you under Auto B.
Yeah, I'd rather just let the bot do it. The bot's
Yes.
okay.
So basically now if I turn on auto, now the other entries are band crossover entries, EMA. So these like this, if you see this band, right? So
Right.
you trade from band to band, right? You don't look at the bars, then we use a different strategy for that. I will show you that one also. If you are scalper, you trade with the auto B or auto A. Like so I turn on everything, right? So basically I started trading. Now, suppose if the if you feel like okay market might go up again with a long pullback, right, I can always use explosion entry. So what explosion does, it will take an entry in the middle of the leg. So for example here I took an trade. So whenever the bot thinks there's a momentum in a market, bot will take a
Order
trade. So
submitted.
bot took a trade here, right? This is
Right.
my stop loss, this is my profit target, and I can just click here, right? And you
Target
don't have
filled.
to use it all the time. You can see okay when I
Order
went to use it.
submitted.
Now this is auto, right? So now suppose
Stop filled.
it hit my stop loss, right? Now
Right.
what is my next step, right? So what I told my bot that use my stop and reverse, right? I turn it on. Now, whenever the next trade will come, right?
Order submitted.
So this trade came. Now this one has a 4 contracts, not one. I was trading with a 1 contract only. So I told my bot that if I hit stop loss with a 1 contract, take another with the next value, wait for next value trade and take that trade with the 4 contracts. Okay. So that way, whatever loss I had, I will recover my loss.
Does it take
Target
back?
filled.
Huh?
Does it does it take profit to make sure you cover your loss?
Yes, yes.
What happens if that 4 contract loses?
Then you will take another stop and reverse if you want. So you have 2 options. Suppose if you lose this one and market didn't hit your profit target, then if you keep it on, it will take a trade with 16 contracts. So it will multiply 4 by 4 again.
All right, one of your account can't do it though.
Yeah, so this is good for 250K account or 150K account, right? But
Okay.
if you're using the small accounts, then we don't recommend, then you multiply by 2. Then, for example, what people usually do is they instead of putting 4, they put 2 here. So first trade will be 1 contract, second will be 2 contracts. If this failed, the third will be 4 contracts.
Okay.
Okay.
So you could run this on a 50K
Order
or
submitted.
150K.
Target
Yes,
filled.
yes. Right. But if you just want to, for example, here, if you fail this trade, you can always keep it trading without this. Like now it'll be 1 contract each time.
Order submitted.
Right? So especially
Okay.
PA accounts, you say, I don't want to take too much risk with a PA. So you just do simple trading. Like you don't have to worry about turn it on. So if you have a valuation account, I would say, okay, I want to take a risk.
Okay. And you do training on this
Yes,
one-on-one?
yes. I will show you everything, how we train.
Okay.
So suppose here, like I'm just trading with a 1 contract, and I'll show you today what happened with me in the live trading, so that way you will understand like how stop and reverse works. Okay,
Yeah, what day was this?
this is today.
This is today?
Order submitted.
And I can show you my today's
Target
trading
filled.
also, right? So, for example, if I show you today's trading, right? So basically, I started at so I'm trading into 5 different accounts, right? So again, but I use runner here. So what runner does it? I'm trading with the 2 contracts, one with a profit target. So again, so for example, this is my runner, right? So how runner works that I will trade with the 2 contracts. So this bought, I took this trade, right? So 2 contracts, one with a profit target, one has no profit target. It will run as long as my leg will run, right?
Will the stop go over break even?
Yes, good point. So basically, once I hit my profit target, right? So this my stop loss will come to my break even point now. I won't lose any money anymore,
Okay.
right? So if my runner couldn't run, I will hit my profit target here. So I already made $150 in this trade, right?
Oh, wow.
But if I keep my trade like right now here, so I made 155, right?
When
So
does it take profit though?
so on the first profit target. So for example, let me show you again. So I'll show you right here, right? So here, now I have back-to-back losses, right? But I have my 250K account right now, right? So
Right.
I hit my profit target here, right? And my runner is running now. So as long as this runner will run, right, I will stay in a trade, right? So now I'm making like all the way until $740, right? So
Okay.
here, now whenever I have a first reversal bar, right, you can always close from here, or I can just wait until sometimes market will make this wick and go up again, right?
Yeah.
So basically, if I wait for, so once you make this reversal bar, I'll be out automatically. So for example, if I hit here, so at the bottom of the first bar, I will be out automatically,
Okay.
right? So again, if I keep trading, again, my runner is running. I hit my profit target, and I can always press auto trade. Auto trade does is it will move my stop loss next very close. So I don't have to wait for whole bar. I can just kick out. So, but in that case, sometimes you have a big these wicks. I would be out here instead of waiting for. So it's
Right.
up to you. Like you can auto trade it very close, or you can just wait for basically the bar to just hit your profit stop loss automatically.
Okay.
Right? So this is my today's trading. Again, my runner is running now. So as long as this leg will go, I entered here, I exit here automatically. This is a news time. Even a bot is on, bot did not take any trade here because news time, market is pretty fast. So again, this trade hit my profit target 975. Again, hit my profit target. So 11. So this is my today's trading. After that, I didn't take any trade, right? There is no trade came in a market. So I traded up to like until 10:18. That was my trading at. So I trade in 5 accounts. So this is my today's profit.
And that's all, is that 5 accounts or is that 5 different markets?
No, 5 accounts. For example, if
Oh, you're
five
copy
FX
trading
accounts.
them.
Yes. So I'm
Okay.
using copy trading.
And 150K can do this?
150K, 250K, yes. Because with a 150K, you can take up to 17 trades at a time, right? So if
17,
you're
yeah.
using multiply by 4, so it'll be 1, 4, and 16. So you're still
Okay.
under 17 contracts.
Okay.
But if you want to use 50K, I would just you multiply by 2 or 3. So 1, 3, and 9, because up to 50K, you can take up to 10 trades, 10 contracts.
Can you take on 50K?
Yeah, 150.
Yeah, but on the NASDAQ, if that moves against you real fast, you're blowing a count.
Yes, yes. So in this case, you won't blow your account because you have like $5,000, the threshold.
Right.
Okay.
So what is the stop loss on one account? One contract? What do you guys run? Like how many points?
So depends. So our recommendation is a 1-to-2 ratio because, for example, these wicks, right? So if you take a trade, if my stop loss is too close, it will hit my stop loss. This wick will hit my stop loss, and even though market went in my favor, right?
Right.
So we give little room here. So our stop loss is 1-to-2 ratio. So if my profit target is 29 ticks, my stop loss is 60, 62. I put 65, right? So 1-to-2 ratio pretty much. Okay.
What
And then
size of account you recommend to use that?
See, you can use any account, but if you want to use stop and reverse, then I would recommend 150.
Okay.
Okay. But if you want to use basically, if you want to use 50K account, then I will use the same. So 50K account, I would use, stop and reverse runner in M and Q.
Okay.
Okay. If you want to use this for 50K, I will use MNQ. If you want to use this one in a main market, I'll use 150K account or 250K account. Okay.
Okay.
Then how we support our customers, I was mentioning to you that we will put this in there. Then usually people start putting their goals and how much they made in PA accounts. Like he made like 252 and he's done for the day. So he's this is a trade copier, right? So people use
Yeah.
for example, he's using Rhythmic account, so he made like 1398. He's using a trade copier also. He traded for multiple accounts. He
What
like he
is this on?
this is a fellow traders group. People usually put the results and if they got funding certificates, payouts, all these things in there. So he got paid for like, thanks sniper team. I passed 5 valuations today, hoping to see post. So he just made $53,000 in each account today. Right. So
Where's that
uh,
one guy say I need help?
huh?
The one says I need help.
Yeah, so this is a fellow. I will show you the help one also. So this is one group where they talk about the trading, right? So you talk with your fellow traders, right? So put result, for example, this guy made $8,000 in one. He said killing today, and auto A explosion entry runner 6 accounts. So this right. So then people ask, please, hey Congress, big day, can you please describe your strategy? He put his screenshot like what entries he took.
Okay.
Okay. The other group is technical support group where people ask for example, is please, hey, please call for Apex account. Sure, I can help you. I've sent you message. So in this group, these are our employees, right? In other group, you talk with your fellow traders. In this group, if you need help, you just put here, I need help,
Okay.
right? So all these people then this is 24-hour service. Doesn't matter what time is it. You need help anytime, we'll help you anytime. So we have our employees round the clock.
All right. Where are you based out of?
I'm in California. The company is based in California, San Francisco area.
Okay.
Okay. So this is how our support works. We will support
And
our.
what is that on a website or is that like Discord or what is this?
This is our own Sniper live chat. So this is basically we were using Skype, but our customers are more than like 700 now. So Skype had a limit for 600 people only, right? Then we
Okay.
look around. So this one was because this is, for example, let me tell you once. So hi, I please call for. So I have sent you direct message. So we will send you message directly from here. We will call you from here, share our screen, or we will ask you to share your screen. So this is a mix of Zoom and Skype together. So this is our own software, Sniper Live Chat. Okay. Hello?
Yeah. Okay.
Okay. Then third thing is how we train our customers, right? So once you get our bot, right? So basically we will give you access. For example, you go to Sniper Auto Trader, our website, you will have this member login. Once you click here, this is my login. So basically, you will see that all these trainings are here. So we have our training videos for each. If you're new to Ninja Trader, our bot trainings step by step. Then we do the Zoom trainings, right? So here we explain you how indicator works. We also give you indicators with the bot, right? So for example, if you want to see at what level market is trading, right? So you can always turn on the multiple level indicator, which will tell you, what is the high of the day, where is the VWAP and all these things, right? So these are the different levels. So market usually trade in the levels, right? If you want to see those levels, if you want to see how much volatility in the market, right? We can see, okay, basically how much is this is a volatility meter, right? So if it's less than 32, then bot will not take a trades when it's below this green line, right? So
Okay.
when market is very strong, this will tell you the strength of each leg. How strong is the leg, right? When market is like this, basically, this is like out of trend, right? So again, market went up very strongly. My explosion entry, if I want to use explosion entry, I will use this indicator to see how strong is the leg to take entries. Okay.
Okay.
So all these indicators will provide you as just a part of the package. So you can use these indicators. Then the band crossover entry and EMA crossover entry works differently. Basically, if I click here, let me show you how. So this is a scalp, right? So now if you don't want to do scalp, you want to trail do the trail trading. So this is something we use. These are different bar sizes, right? Just a
Okay.
minute. So this is now, if I want to use band crossover entry, it will give me, I will enter in a trade here, I will exit here automatically. So it will go from band to band, right? So if market is going up, usually what people do, they will turn on the long button, they will turn on the band crossover, they turn on the bot, right? So that way, bot will not take a trade, this trade, because it's a downtrend, right? So it will enter here, exit there, enter here, exit whenever the this band will turns red again, you'll be exit automatically. Okay. This
Okay.
one has no profit target, so it works from crossover to crossover, whenever the next crossover. Same with the EMA. So we have a EMA lines. This is an indicator also. So these are the EMA lines, right? So this work from crossover to, so you will enter here, you will exit there. Then you enter here, you will exit when the next crossover. So that way you can, so for example, if you don't take a trade on both sides, you will enter here, you will exit there. You will enter here again automatically, you'll exit. So that's EMA crossover.
What EMAs are those?
Those are, so basically basically the entry will be based on 9 and 21 EMA, fast and slow EMA, right?
Right.
But these ones are the big EMA, like 200, 159, 120, 89.
Okay.
Right. Then these are the like 21, 13, and 9. Okay. So this one will give you overall trend, how strong is the market. So basically, if some people usually use the manual band crossover, manual EMA entries, right? So they will look at all those three things before they take a trade. Okay. So different strategies is part of training. I was showing you the training area, right? So different indicators, if you are new to trade copier, if you're new to Apex, what are the rules and everything, right? So then we do the Zoom training same way, new bot features, band crossover entry, how that works, how explosion entry works, how to handle emergency in a trading, right? What are the Apex rules, how to read the market, what is auto C entry, how to work with the mindset and technical glitches, right? So all these trainings will provide you. So this is the like online ongoing trainings, so that way basically any new training will come, we will send you the timing of the training and everything. And if you miss it, we will record and put it here.
Okay.
Okay.
Has this blown Apex accounts?
Huh?
Has this blown out Apex accounts?
Blown Apex accounts?
Yes.
Yeah, people, I mean, when they trade, if they basically do the revenge trading or over trading, they usually like, if they keep trading, for example, this guy trade from 9:30 to 4 o'clock, and I told him like, do not trade more than 1 hour, right? So if you trade with discipline, we have a customers who got payout from the very first P account.
Okay. So you pretty much just let it trade for an hour and that's it, right?
I would say that's a good time to trade, like 1 hour, 1.5 hour max.
You don't trade pre-market, you just trade
I mean, you can trade three markets. Basically, you can trade NQ, you can GC is very good market also. You can trade multiple markets. So we have no restrictions that you can trade only one market. Once you have a bot, it's up to you how you want to use it.
okay.
Okay. So that's about it. We provide three things. We provide the bot, we will give you bot and indicators. We provide you the training, one-on-one training, group training, video training, and also we provide the 24-hour support with our technical support. Okay. So that's all we can, that's all we provide, three things. And anytime you need any help, you just let us know that, you couldn't understand this thing, then we'll do the one-on-one session with you. That is all included. There's no extra charge for that.
Okay. Is there any trial period?
We don't offer trial period, no.
How much is it?
So let me show you.
Is it possible you just send me this?
The link?
Yeah, no, this meeting.
No, I didn't record it actually.
Okay.
Yeah. So basically, the first payment usually is a 39.90, right? and the monthly payment is 297. But we can send you the discount code. If you apply this discount code, you'll have $1,000 off. So the first payment, if you buy bot today, is $29.90, and monthly payment is 297 from next month. So that includes bot, indicator, training, support, everything which I showed you today. Okay.
Okay.
So let me know if you're interested. I can send you link and the coupon code.
Okay. And then I
Then
mean, do you
once
have
you
live
buy
data
our,
on this? Or because back testing doesn't really, I mean, I created a strategy and it told me I won $100,000 in a month and it didn't do anything. But
Mhm.
do you have any live trading on this?
No, so basically, if you check our YouTube channel, pretty much we do the live trading only, right? If you check our YouTube channel, right? So
Right.
basically, if you let me see, where is it? Okay. So if I go to trading, so whatever videos we put, right? Especially the recent videos, because people want to see the live trading, right? So
Mhm.
usually what we do is we will put the clock at the bottom, right? This is a clock, right? So each time when you look at any market, so basically we will put the time here with the date, right? Whenever put the, so 10 days ago, the same day we put it, we'll make sure that it's a live trading.
Okay.
Okay, so watch our videos. You will see that how it works in a live market.
No way to get a 1 day trial or something like that?
No, we don't do that.
No.
Yeah. Okay.
So if you do get it and then you sign up, um, and you install it, or I download it and then install it,
Uh-huh.
it can be set from day one. You
Yeah,
just
yeah. So you can
auto
start
and
trading on day one, but I would recommend that to watch the trainings, practice the bot for 1 week at least in simulation, right? Sim money.
Mhm.
And then once you understand the bot and everything, then you can start trading with Apex or any other top step or anything.
But if the bot, I mean, once you set up the take profit, you just have to go on. You just leave it on auto; it'll do it automatically, right?
Yeah, but we don't recommend that you leave your computer for any reason, right? So, for
Okay.
example, if you are away from the computer, board is on, your internet is out, or your power have a power outage, or there's a glitch in Ninja or on the data feed. Sometimes when you see if you're using Rhythmic data feed, there's a lot of glitches in data feed, right?
Yeah, I know. Yeah.
So basically, we don't want that you leave the computer. I mean, you don't have to do anything, but at least watch your trading.
Yeah. And then especially if you're doing the runners, you can close a runner out.
Yes. Okay.
All right. And then what about pre-market?
You can trade pre-market. People have from Australia, New Zealand, they trade on the London session, pre-market, anytime you want to trade.
Okay. I mean, well, what's the better
Better is 9:30 when the market opens, right?
9:30 to 11 is pretty much the best time to trade for
10,
this
yeah,
thing?
9:30 to 10:30, 11. If you meet your profit target by 10:30, 10:15, like I stopped at 10:18 today, right? So you don't have to force yourself even after you reach your profit target, right? So just get out from market then.
Okay. Yeah, I agree. And once you make your money, why stay in it?
Yes.
Okay.
Okay.
Have you ever let this thing run all day?
Uh, I mean, if you can, but then at the end, there'll be a more brokerage fee than your profits,
Okay.
right? So there will be some entries will pass, some entry will be failed, and by the time you end your day, if it's a $1,000 out of $1,500 will be your brokerage charges.
That's true.
So it's better that take less trades, and then basically,
Has this as it has as it has it has has it had any losing days?
Yeah, so basically, let me show you in Auto B when I was showing our customers. So there was a Zoom we did for I showed my whole month's results to our customers if they want to use this strategy. So usually we work on strategies every time that if anyone want to use any strategy, right? So basically, so here is my days like from September 12th to October 8th. I have a two losing days because I have a 250K account, so I can go up to $2,500 my loss, right? If you have small accounts, you can have like maybe $1,000 loss or 1,500 if you have 150K account, right? So these are my basically results. And this is the live market. Then I show my live market also to our customers that this is a clock and everything. So usually I just show that in the 5 accounts how much I made each day on September 18th. So I ran this, I recorded my trading for every single day for a whole month so I can show to our customers how Auto B works and what is its results.
Okay, so you trade what do you usually trade? Just the NQ?
NQ pretty much because we want to get done fast, right?
I gotcha. Okay.
But you can trade any market. Like if some people like to trade gold only, right? So like September 19th. So basically I just turned it on. I didn't touch anything. So I will just let my bot work. That's all.
Okay.
Okay.
Huh. Can't do anything better on the price, right?
That's the best. I'm giving you like $1,000 off on this already.
Wow.
Okay.
Okay.
How about you, Angelo? You have any questions?
Yeah. I'm fine. Thank you.
Okay. Do you want me to send you a
Um,
link also?
sorry, pardon?
Do you want me to send you link to purchase?
Yeah, I don't know how to do it, but Neymar know. I
Okay.
just translate for him.
Okay, I will email you guys link and coupon code. If you interested, then buy with a PayPal or credit card, and then our team will set up everything for you. Okay.
Oh, okay.
But our training is in English, so that is if you can understand the English, it'll be good. Otherwise, it'll be tough for him to understand English. So all the
Yeah,
trainings, all the customer service support is in English.
the support is just in English, yeah?
Yeah.
Okay. You have you any represent for Portuguese or something?
No, we don't have yet.
Okay.
And then to set it up, your team, someone from your team
Yes,
do
we will do
one-on-one.
everything for you. You don't have to worry about it. So once you buy it, once we get notification that you bought it, then our team will approach to you that give us the time slot so we can fix everything. We can install the board, set up everything, set up the Ninja, install our bars, and then set up the strategy on the backs and train you on the first hand that how to do everything. Then you can once you start watching trainings, so you can learn more about the board.
Okay.
Okay.
And what happens if I buy it and then I cancel a subscription? I'm out.
Yeah, there's no contract, but there's no refunds either. But there will be no contract. Like if you want to cancel it and want to restart again, you start with the 297s. You don't have to pay 29.90 again and again.
Okay.
Yeah, you can cancel it anytime, pause it anytime, restart anytime. Will be from 297.
Okay.
Okay. Okay. I'll send you guys link and then if you have any question, please email me back. Okay.
Okay. Thank
All
you.
right. Thank you guys. Thank you.